Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card charms reading. Yes, friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now. I'm sorry I got late in posting the July love and work forecast with charms. Here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram, friends, yes, and as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And this is a charms reading, friends. We'll look into detail with every how your July will be. With every choice, we'll look into detail with charms how your July will be, what will happen, and love, work, career, romance, all aspects we're gonna cover today. And you can also check your horoscope readings for July. I have also started them. Most of them are done. Only the fire signs are remaining. I'll be posting them shortly. And you can also check the Hindi Urdu versions of how your July will be, friends, on my other channel, Magic Wens Tarot Hindi Urdu. The link is in the timestamps. Ooh, so time is flying. Can you believe it? We are already in 2021 July. Where did the whole year go? What have you achieved in this year? I think we have all been sitting at home doing nothing, probably gaining weight, I guess. Yes, of course. Even I have gained weight. What about you, friends? How are you keeping fit in these times? Let me know. And I burn calories by laughing. Okay, yes, that's a trick. So, what's happening astrologically in July? Let's take a look at that before we begin the reading. July, there is a lot happening in July. We start with Mars squaring Uranus. That is a tough alignment on the 3rd of July. With Mars squaring Uranus, will lead to some sort of a potential, political issues in the world, or some sort of a freedom versus aggression versus freedom, liberation versus system. All these kind of things will be highlighted at this point. Then there is also Mercury moving into Cancer, so emotions are high on the 11th of July. And then there is Chiron going retrograde. So again, an emotional energy, and it might be a birthday time for you. Happy birthday, Cancers, if it's your birthday. So happy birthday, and happy birthday, Leos. Yes, Leos also. So there will be a new moon in Cancer in July, and there will be a full moon in Aquarius. Yes, and Jupiter will also be going retrograde in Aquarius, so that will be another highlight of this month. And this is an emotional as well as an analytical July. So let's hop into direct now into your choices without any further ado, friends. So let's see your choices now. Let's take a deep breath, relax, take a deep breath, and choose option number one. This beautiful acceptance card. I love the color of this card. Look at it, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful color. Acceptance. Option number two, the happiness card. And option number three, the abundance card. So, friends, take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one, option number two, option number three. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly go there and choose your options. Also, friends, you can choose more than one option. You can watch the entire reading if you want, if you feel drawn towards it. Yes, because it's going to resonate with you even if you watch all three. So, let's begin with option number one. So option number one, let's see how your July will be. If you chose this blue card, the acceptance card, let us see how your July will be. I am learning to accept the things that I cannot change. That's a powerful message. And yeah, it's like there are certain things which you cannot change, but you can accept them. It's a powerful card. Let's see how your July will be. This is your tarot. These are your oracle and advice, and your charms are here. So let's see. All right. So, friends, right now, how are you feeling right now? You're feeling a bit anxious. I feel you're a bit stressed, or frustrated is the right word. You're feeling a little anxious, a little frustrated, maybe because certain things are not yet starting in your life, or because certain things are not completing yet in your life. Like you are single, so you're frustrated. You're not getting a job, so you're frustrated, or because of this world situation, you are like, when is it going to shift? When is life going to get better? So there is this frustration, there is this energy also of waiting. You're waiting for something, friends. And you could be waiting for a lover to call you. You could be waiting for a new job or your exam results. You could be waiting for anything, but there is some sort of a stress right now, and I feel like you're not sleeping well, friends. You're binge watching, or sleep patterns are actually, a lot of patterns have gone away from our lives, friends, because of the world situation. You know how things are. There is nothing much to do in the day, and in the night it's much more better to work, so I think you are not sleeping well also. Unfounded fear, focusing on the worst case scenario, always worrying to grow, allowing worry to grow out of proportion is the main problem here. So yes, you are a little worried about something, that oh, things will go wrong if I do this, this will go wrong, if this will go wrong, doom doom doom. Oh well, the good news is, friends, we have made it till here. We are going to made it ahead also, so don't worry. Stay positive. And nine is also the energy of completion. Nine is the energy of something. You're very close to a breakthrough. You can't see it yet, but you are very, very, very close to a breakthrough. So don't worry, friends. Let's see what else. Balance. Yes, July will bring you the balance. Your life definitely seems a little off balance right now, but July, the month of July, will bring balance for you, friends. Balance in your love life, balance in your your work and career, and in your romance sector also. So your relationships will get better and balanced, and even your mood will be more balanced, rather than being too worried, too happy, too excited, too sad. You will feel more like, okay, fine, life, things will get better. I also feel that something is going to happen for you which will make you feel excited in July, especially related to romance. Like some sort of a message will come to you, or some sort of excitement, like a new person is there, so you're very excited, or the person you're waiting for, they will message you. So balance is coming, excitement is coming in your love life. That's a good thing. Take everyone's input into consideration, merge viewpoints to create a better solution. Take your time, there is no need to rush. So, yeah, July is again a chill pill kind of a month. You can chill, you can relax, and you can. And what do you mean by chilling? Not to worry. When you go to Hawaii, do you worry? No, you leave all your worries behind. So that's how it is. Feel like you are in Hawaii, having a trip and chilling. No worries. And there is, I keep getting that song, Hakuna Matata. So that's your mantra for July. Stay happy and no worries. Always be happy, no worries whatsoever. It does not mean that all your worries will vanish, all your problems will vanish in July. Of course not. But you will they will not affect you much, because you tend to accept them now. So there will be certain problems, or certain things will still be there, but they will not be able to affect you. It's like you are shielded, so nothing can touch you. So wonderful energy. Let's see what else. Ace of Winter. Yes, I do see some sort of a contract coming your way, some sort of a new job offers coming your way, or if you are applying, communications related to job are coming, communications related to exams, universities, colleges, degrees, interview calls, they are coming for you. So get ready, friends, get ready. Instead of worrying, start preparing, because you may get a sudden or surprise job call, or a surprise interviews, or your exam dates may be announced. So start working, and start get ready, stay positive and get ready. I also feel a breakthrough is coming for you. Something is completing and something new will start for you in July. It could be that you will start a new relationship, or you will start a new health or fitness routine, or you will start learning something new, new schools, new colleges, entering a new class in July. So something new is also there. I do see that most of you, it is a new project, it is career related. This new thing is career related, like, or financial new things, like you investing in crypto, you investing in some other currencies, you investing money, or more money coming your way. Also, you getting a contract, you finishing a project, getting a new contract, more growth in your business, your career. So breakthroughs are coming, a new start is coming. That new start you are waiting for, it will happen for you in the month of July, friends. Don't be deterred by challenges along the way. It is important to communicate clearly and accurately. Amazing new ideas that should be implemented. Yes, I would say in July you should watch out your communications, friends, because I do see that there is a tendency, because Mars is in Virgo, and Venus will also be moving in Leo and Virgo. So you may Mars will also be in Cancer. Just let me check. Yeah, Mercury will be in Cancer. So, you're definitely, Mercury affects communications. So, your communications will be a little emotional. So, you got to watch out for that. And I do see a new job. I do see clarity. I see breakthroughs coming, positivity coming in your life, new fitness routines, new routines, a new sort of like, yes, I can do it, that attitude. Yes, I'm going to achieve it. I'm going to do it. That boldness, that attitude will be there within you in July, which is great, which you are missing right now, actually, which you kind of need it right now. King of Autumn. So, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is very important for you in July. I also feel you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Yeah, I do feel, friends, financial and emotional, you are looking for security in the month of July, and you are going to find it, emotional security as well as financial security. So get ready. A lot of success, a lot of security is coming your way. And I do see that people are going to notice your power. You are very powerful. You could be an Aries, Leo, Sag. You could be any sun sign, friends. But you're very powerful in the month of July, and people are going to sense it. Your power, your expertise, your wisdom. So yes, that's there. And yeah, you're going places in July, friends. I don't know if you see it or not, but you are definitely going to come out of whatever slow energy you are stuck in. Also, the problems, the challenges, if you are having financial problems, you are definitely going to come out of those problems. I also feel that in July you will be investing money. Money is a big issue for you. If you are a student, you will be thinking about money. Do you have enough resources? Does your parents will support you? Your father figure is also very important to you in July, friends. Like, if you are no matter if you are a student, your parents are very important, your father is very important. And also, even if you are elder, an adult, your fathers, your parents are very important to you, especially the father figure, the father-in-law, the boss, the authority figures. They are very important to you in July. I also see some of you could be getting a promotion in July, some of you getting going back to work after a long break. Some of you could be getting your PhD, you are starting your PhD, your masters, or other kind of graduations, extended, study. So a lot of focus is mainly on career, finances, and emotional security. I do feel that there is a person, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, that want to talk to you, friends, in the month of July. I feel this person has not been in communication with you since a long time, since 9 months maybe. I feel like this person has not been in touch with you since a long time, 9 years, 9 months, 8 years, 8 months, or maybe 8 days, 9 days. This person has not communicated with you, but they will reach out to you in July. They want to reach out and talk to you. This relationship will get balanced. I feel this person has been having some issues like anxiety, health issues, or nervousness. They are trying to deal with it. But in July, you will see a more positive and balanced side of this person, your person. So that's exciting. Three of Cups. Ooh, so celebrations are coming your way. You could be a Leo having your birthday in July. You could be a Cancer having your birthdays. I also see that some of you will be uniting with your friends, with your dates, with colleagues. So more parties, more collaborations are happening, celebrations are happening within the family also, and with friends also. So congratulations. I do feel, that this month, you will definitely connect with new friends. You will find new friends, or you will make some, old, school friends will reunite with you. People who were lost touch with you, they will unite with you. Your lover, your ex, ex lover, ex twin flame, soulmate, those who are not in touch, they will also unite with you. And there is this excitement, there is this happiness and celebration. So July, definitely you will find your happiness, friends. And let's see what else. And if you are I do see, friends, that you will be spending more time, playing, dancing, enjoying your life. That will make you feel very happy in July. Another thing is, if you are a female, you will be spending time taking care of your health, your looks. Even if you are a man, you could be dealing, you could be looking after your body, your looks, your hair care, and it will make you feel very happy. So wonderful. The Emperor, look at that. You're super powerful, friends, in July. You're very, 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 very powerful. And that is, you are connecting with your power in July, friends. I think right now you don't feel very powerful, whether it is in love or work, or even in life. You feel like you don't have any power to change things. But in July, you will definitely feel you have the power to make some changes or choices which can improve your life and make it more exciting. So you will feel very powerful. You will feel very, like a boss, like a king. And yeah, like Hakuna Matata, like the Lion King. You are exactly like that, the Lion King, the Simba. Yes. And I do see that, some of you could actually be, getting a promotion. I do feel this month your focus is more on career, on achievements, on achieving some goals, cracking some goals, and winning, victory, ambitions. Even in love, you are a bit competitive, because Venus is in Leo, so competition is high. You are very competitive in love, friends. So love is passionate, love is communicative, but love is also competitive. So if your person is not calling, you will be like, I'll not call them first. It's their job to call me. They don't call me first, I won't call them first. Oh, I message them, they don't reply me, I'll also not reply them now. So your competitive, friends, even if this is not your basic nature, you will feel a bit of competition in love. And some of you could be dealing with a third party in July, but that will be resolved. I do see a breakthrough happening there, blocks falling away from love. Another thing I'm feeling is that, you could be finding more choices in love. If you are really single, you could be dealing with two people, a friend zone person, and someone from your past returning back to you. So there is a friend zone person and a new lover, or somebody from the past. So you have a choice in love, but you feel powerful because, ooh, you can choose. So you're very powerful, friends. And the Nine of Spring. So don't give up, friends. You're very very, very close to achieving your goals. Don't give up, friends. And whatever you want to achieve, you are very close to achieving, whether it is fitness, health issues. You want to make your health better, your love life better, your marriage better, you want to get married to somebody, you will achieve it, friends. Don't give up. You are very, very, very close to a breakthrough. In July, it might happen for some of you in July, or at the end of July, at the beginning of August, a breakthrough, a new start is coming. So hang in there, friends, and protect the fruits of your labor. Prepare the possible challenges that lie ahead. Environmental conversationalist, look at these ladybirds, friends. You have a lot of luck. Jupiter and Saturn are favoring you, and Mars is also favoring you. So you're very, very lucky, friends. And yes, and you know, you will achieve your goals. You just need to stay a little patient and balanced. And I do see choices in love coming your way. Let's see if there is anything else for July for pile number one. Okay. Okay, I got some cards which flew down. Okay, conflict and defeat. Yeah, you right now you're feeling like you don't have any options, you don't have much choice. You want to come out of this energy, and definitely you're coming out of defeated energy into the Emperor, the energy of power, and not just that, into the energy of celebration. So 5, 4, 3, and 1. That's the new beginning, the ultimate Alpha Omega. They're very, very powerful. Oh my god, your cards are flying everywhere. Look at that harmony. Yes, a beautiful relationship is coming for you. Choices in love, lovers. Oh my god, friends, someone is definitely going to confess their love, or you are going to fall head over heels in love with somebody. I do feel you will have choices in love, and if you were dealing with third party in love, or some blocks were affecting your love life, rest assured they will heal. And accelerated motion. Yes, 8 of wands. uh, yes, things are getting very exciting for you in July. You will be very busy, you will not have time. It's a quick month for you. And sacrifice, hanged man. Yes, you had been waiting for this time, friends. The stuck situations will move forward in your life. Things which were stuck, which were not moving forward, things will move. But take your time making any decisions this month, because these are all long term decisions. So take your time and think. How you think or how you feel or communicate is very important in July. Stay positive about that. Let's see your oracle messages, then your charms. Mending. So, number 52. Yes, I do feel, friends, your heart is mending, your relationships are mending, and your finances are also mending. So, yes, that's interesting energy. And come to the edge. Yes, friends, you are definitely feeling that you have done absolutely, you are definitely out of your comfort zone. And right when you are about to give up, a miracle is going to come for you in July. So hang in there, friends, don't give up. And look at this card, fulfillment of wishes, 9 of cups. You have both celebration cards, 3 of cups, 9 of cups. Yes, your wishes are going to come true. You will feel a little emotional, but also happiness in July, friends. Some sort of a success, some sort of a happiness, some wishes will come true. So yes, congratulations. And what else? Light, number 19. Yes, friends, stay focused on the positive side of life. It is very important for you in July to focus on the good things, to focus on the light and not on the shadow, because you have that. Balance is about focusing on the, balance is like there is light, there is darkness, there is sadness, there is happiness. So, which one are you going to focus on? Either of them, or you're gonna stay in the middle. So, that's the key. Keep focusing on the light, friends. And it's a wonderful, wonderful month for you, very powerful. I do see your career and your emotional relationships getting a new start, a new positive energy, excitement, and some healing energy. You getting your power back. Let's see your advice, then your charms. Ooh, compassion. Wow, that's beautiful. So, yeah, again, see, this card is also up again the dark and, the light and dark energy. There is light and there is white, and there is this gray, and there is this green energy, and this pink of heart. Be kind to yourself, friends. You are doing amazingly. Don't be so hard on yourself. Like, I can't do this. If you are preparing for an exam, for example, I'll give you an example. You'll be like, see, this is my fault. I'm not getting selected because I'm not well. I can't do this. I can't do this. That's why I'm failing. No. No, it's not that. It's just a matter of divine timing. So be kind to yourself. You are doing an amazing job, friends. Love yourself just as you are. And even wherever you are right now in life, love it for now, because good things are coming for you, friends. Yes, sometimes, you ask me why it takes so long, for things to move ahead, why we have to wait for so long, friends. Things happen when they have to happen, and it is perfect. When they will happen, you will know why you waited so long. So don't worry, you will not have to wait long. So be kind to yourself, take care of your body, and let's see your charms. Oops, some dust is here. Option number one. How does the lie will be? Okay, lots of. Let's see if we can get more charms. All right. I'm just putting the bag away. Let's see. Okay, so we dropped a few charms. Anything else? No. Let's see your. Let's first, separate the charms. All right, so let's start with the initials. Your initials are Y, E, and T. So it is like yet some things are yet to happen. Yes, your miracle is coming. It's yet to happen. You are definitely, it is yet, you are yet to meet your person, your soulmate, your lover, your husband or wife. Yeti, somebody's name could be Yeti, or somebody's name could be Tina, Tia, or tie. Yes, you are feeling tied down or frustrated, but don't worry, friends. Things are going to get better. There is a sunrise which is yet to happen for you, so don't worry. So Y, E, and T and I are important, and the numbers are. Oops. See, that's the energy. You are jumping. You have that. I wanna rush through life. You feel like a racing car who wanna zoom through July and make life very exciting. But life. You know how things are going in the world. We can't go very fast. Also in these times, we can't. There are certain restrictions also on all of us. So I know we can always race in games, on mobile games or maybe in our mind. So go for it. Number 44, 444 is very important for you. And number 99, so it is 999. And there is number 22, 222. All these are mirror numbers, 222, 444, 999. So something magical and big is happening for you, friends. And look at that, the trumpet messages are coming, important news, messages, divine timing. Yes, I will keep your intuition open, listen to your ideas, intuitive ideas, listen to the signs. Butterfly, positive changes. Can you see? Butterfly, positive changes. Let's see what else. And the spiral, look at that, things are, spiral is acceleration. Look at that, things are moving, and spirals are also high energy, high vibrational, like miracles. So things aligning in your favor. So spirals are cycles, things, accelerated things coming to you. Fishes, emotions, take care of your emotions, feel positive, focus on the light. And this bead is about money. Yes, some sort of a money reward, or some sort of an award coming your way. Hello, I'm yours. Yes, I do feel someone is going to propose you or declare their love to you. And the tree of life, family. Yes, family is very important for you. The snowflake, wishes coming true. And the heart, Yes, I do feel that, some things are very close to your heart, friends. You want to achieve those dreams. Maybe get married, be with a lover, or, get that vacation, or, you want to achieve something, friends. You will be able to achieve it, please. Don't worry. Take care of your health, friends. Look after yourself and be compassionate, be kind to yourself. Classy, yes, you're very, very classy, friends. Absolutely, no doubt about that. Four of here, take some rest. Yes, you don't want to rest in July because you feel like, oh, what we did all this year, it was just resting. Yes, but mentally, take some rest. I know it's tough, but yes, one of here, we already have the Ace of Swords. Breakthroughs are coming. Contracts, paperworks, legal issues, legal victories, art. Yes, let's focus on art, friends. Focus on music, focus on yoga, whatever makes you happy. Dogs, pets, focus on those things. Money, monkey, sorry. You have this mischievous energy like a monkey in July, but you have to tame yourself. Yes, I do feel that. Friend, yes, a friend is important. I do feel someone friend zone likes you. They're gonna propose to you. Aries, Leo, Sag person, King of Wands, King of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Six of Fear, yes, things moving forward, travel, breakthroughs, problems ending. Mother, yes, mother is important. And father also, Prince of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Wow, friends, you are very, very powerful in July. So make full use of that energy and stay positive. And make sure to subscribe, like, share Magic Wins Tarot. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, if you chose option number 2, let us see how your July will be if you chose this beautiful option 2, the happiness card. And it says, I'm aware that being happy means that I am on the right path. So, definitely, friends, this month you are on the right path and something happy or some sort of a happiness is coming your way. Let's see what else. These are your tarot and these are your oracle messages, and your bag of charms is here. We'll look at them, the charms. We'll look at the charms shortly. So let's first see what is going to happen in your July, friends. Let's see that. All right. So definitely, friends. I feel right now you're trying to manifest something, friends. Nine of Cups. So definitely you're working on, your goals, your wishes. You're definitely trying to manifest something. Whether it is a new love, new romance, a marriage, a reunion, a work, money, you are trying to manifest something, and congratulations, you are very, very close to achieving it in the month of July. So, wonderful energies, wishes coming true, dreams fulfilled, a magical time of your life. I do feel that this month is about, happiness. This month is about celebrations. Also, someone in the family is getting married, you are getting married, or there is talk about marriage, you prepare. I feel like someone is getting married in the family, so you are getting them ready, like here, just like this card. So you feel very excited about it also, and very happy. So it is, this month is about weddings, celebrations, happiness, family, emotional satisfaction, and manifesting. So you're definitely trying to manifest something, friends. What are you manifesting? Let me tell you, in July, some of you are manifesting a new job, some of you are manifesting more emotional security, a new soulmate connection, or maybe some of you are trying to manifest success in your career or studies, like you want to top some exams. Yes, you're going to do it. Whatever you are trying to manifest, you will be very, very lucky in it. So get ready. This is your lucky month, friends. Yes. And look at that, two of autumn. So July is going to be busy, busy, busy. So get ready, friends. July is a busy month for you. You are going to have to balance your work with your home life, or your love life with your career. So there is a lot of things. You may feel pulled into different directions in July, like you want to focus on this, focus on that. You want to get married, not get married. You want to be alone, but also need some company. So you are like, what am I supposed to do? So yes, there is like two different energies pulling you, but I feel you will be able to manage it because you are super ninjas, super turtles. Super ninja turtles, which are like ninjas. They can do anything. They are superb. So that's what you are, friends. Superb and ninjas. You can achieve anything. Wonder Woman, Wonder Mans. So yes, let's see. Bring fun into everything you do. So, whatever you do, friends, in July, there will be a fun, a light-hearted energy in it. You will feel like, yes, life is okay, life is finally, slowly, or getting back, or it feels like the good old days. Bring fun into everything you do, juggling multiple priorities or job, and exceptional talent for multitasking. Yes, you guys are gonna multitask a lot. You can handle a lot of responsibilities in July, friends, without any effort, without feeling tired. Your stamina will be good. You are great, friends. Especially you can manage, work and your home life. Like you're arranging a wedding, you can do that as well as you can be a super achiever at your work. So well done. And look at that. The Queen of Summer, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important to you. Or you could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces yourself. So if it could be your birthday this month. So yoo-hoo, congratulations, happy birthdays. And friends, this month you are definitely going to get some emotional maturity. There are certain issues which you feel like, you don't know where, what, why, what happened, where there are certain issues in your life which you don't know, why they happened, why this person left you, why are you single. But in July you are going to find some sort of emotional maturity, some sort of emotional wisdom and emotional IQ, which will be very important for you, friends. So it is like, aha, I know finally why this is happening, I know why this happened, aha, I know, someone is coming for me. So yes, trust your intuition and listen to your heart, intuitive insights you can trust. Taking care of others perhaps too much. Yeah, I do feel that you will be very very drawn to people, friends. This is a month about people for you. So you'll be very connected to people, whether family, friends. You want to take care of them, even pets. You want to groom them, take care of them. So you're busy, you have your own life, you're managing a lot. You're busy bees, friends, busy bees, but I can take some note from you on how you do it all with such a grace. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing in July. And yes, my throat, yes, it's not so, it's good, it's a little rusty still. So that's what it happens when we do multitask. I had been doing that, so that's what happened. So, friends, in July, expect some emotional romance coming your way, emotional happiness and emotional security coming your way. I do see a proposal coming your way if you are single. A lot of people are watching you, keeping an eye on you. They like you, they want to fall in love, they want to ask you out on for a relationship or a date. So if you are single, expect romantic dates, expect a lot of dates, a lot of people wanting to talk to you. If you are in a relationship, friends, definitely there is emotional harmony coming in it. So let's see what else. Four of Winter, yeah. I do feel, friends, that things, your emotional or certain things in your life has been quiet since a very very long time. Like a person has not been in touch with you. There has been, your love life has been sleeping since forever. It's like they are sleeping, your love life, nothing is happening. It's quiet since a long time, 4 months, 4 years, or maybe longer. But things will pick up, your life space will pick up in July. You will notice things are moving more effortlessly, more quickly. And you have seen those fun kingdom rides, those slides where you can slide like this. You just sit and you go automatically down. So this is how this month is. You will slide into happiness, into fun and excitement. And yeah, do take some time to rest also, friends, because you are busy. I know this seems as crazy. I keep saying this to everybody. Get some rest because we feel like we are already resting, isn't it, friends? We are doing nothing much in these world situation, but These are still very stressful times for all of us. The energies are intense, even in July. So take some time to rest, especially for mental, emotional peace. Get your rest. Make sure to rest because you might care too much for others, friends, in July. So, make sure to care for yourself and get a cup of hot cocoa, hot chocolate, or coffee, and get yourself some sleep. Set aside your concerns for now and you can make a decision later. Solutions that will come from meditation and the need for sleep or recreation. Yes, friends, definitely. This month is about fun and taking your time to just sleep. That's this month about. The lovers, wow, this is beautiful, friends. I do see this month will bring you a lot of friendship, a lot of happiness, a lot of joy, decisions also. For some of you, I see that marriage is very important. You are thinking about marriage, commitment, relationships. If you are single, also, then also you are thinking. If you are already married, some sort of a happiness will come, like it's your anniversary, or you are, the problems in your marriage will resolve and you guys will be more closer to each other. If you are in no contact situation with somebody, friends, expect that person to call you, expect that person to express their emotions to you, because someone is in double minds about you. But this month they will propose you. This month they might take, this month you might also take your vows again and get married, remarriage, getting married again, so all those kind of things. You might meet, if you are single, you might meet somebody on a wedding, on, somebody's wedding. You might meet someone there. I do feel, friends, your twin flames will be very important this month. Your soulmates, your twin flames, your ex-husband wives, your relationships, whatever your emotional life is very important, friends. And because this is like the sun is will be in Cancer, then sun will be moving in Leo. A lot of emotions, lot of passionate energy. When it comes to work, I do see you'll be very busy, friends. You're also very emotional about your work and career. You're very sensitive about it. So, there will be, I do see deals happening. Like if you are in business, new deals, new contracts happening for you, or some sort of a deal finally cracking, like you achieving something, you cracking an exam, you cracking a deal, you getting a tender, a promotion, a contract, something that you are manifesting. You will achieve it in July and you'll be very happy, but it will also lead to more work for you. So get ready, but you are very emotional about your work and career also. You are like, if somebody tells you, you take some break from work, or like, get a day off, you'll take it negatively. You're very sensitive about your work, to criticism also at work. Another thing is, some of you are in double minds whether to change that job or to stay there, to go for business or not to go. Take your time, friends, take your time making any decisions. This is not the month for big decisions. This is a month to enjoy, this is a month to relax, this is a month to laugh. Those summer months where you sit outside till the light is there. Those summer months where the light, the sun, even the sun has set, but the evenings are lit till 8, 7, and you can sit outside, relax, chill with friends. There is, you can play with friends, like in childhood. So that is this kind of a month. Not, don't take some major decisions. And look at that, Ace of Spring. So, yes, I do feel you're gonna feel very, very passionate about yourself, about whatever you are starting in this month of July, or whatever you are committing to yourself. Some sort of a commitment is going to happen, whether in work, like you commit, yes, I'm gonna achieve it. Like some of you, I feel, are gamers. You are into gaming, especially men or something. Maybe women also are into gaming these days. So, you're like, I'm gonna crack this game, I'm gonna cover all the levels. So yeah, another thing I feel is this month you will get your passion back. You will feel very excited, very passionate, and something new is going to start, or some renewal will happen. Like you will finally get to go for a vacation, go for a holiday, maybe a trip for a day only, or spend some good time, some passionate times with your lover. Yes, you are also very passionate and sensitive about your work, your ambition, your career. So if you are a student and someone tells you, you can't do it, you will feel bad. You will feel sad actually. It is time to take action, be fearless, and happily pursue your most important dreams, amazing career opportunities. Yes, I do feel whatever you're trying to manifest, friends, there is a high chance of you achieving that manifestation. So go for it. Don't doubt yourself. You will achieve whatever you want. And Queen of Water, Winter, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you, friends. And yes, I do feel this month, you friends, you have two energies. You can either be very emotional or you can be either very logical. Both of them, I would say that you stay in the happy light-hearted energy. That will help you. I also feel that someone very logical might be affecting your life in July. Like there is a boss which is very rational, very logical, and you are like, wow, what is wrong with this person? Why they keep analyzing life? Why they keep analyzing my work? Why can't they have peace? Because you are sensitive, friends. Your energy is sensitive. Someone else is very logical, very rational. And it could be a lover also who is very rational, logical. It could be a parent, a mother figure, a father figure. It could be a lover, twin flame, soulmate, husband, wife, or it can be a boss. So you have to watch out for that, friends. People around you may be logical or very rational, but you are very emotional this month. So take care of that. That difference of energies is there. And look, let's listen to this. Let go of people or things that no longer serve you. Yeah, so some of you may have some choices this month also, in love. Like, do you want to keep this person in your life? Do you want to change this job? Should you stay back or should you move ahead? And will you be getting a permanent position or not? So a lot of questions are there. Now is the time to focus on your career. Unmarried or divorced individuals, yeah, I do feel that there is someone who maybe maybe they left you in the past, and they want to come back. Maybe they ghosted you, blocked you in the past, but they want to come back. Triumph, victory, number 7. Yes, you are moving ahead. You are very, very close to victory, friends, in July. I keep getting November. I don't know what is it with November. Maybe someone born in November is important, or something happened in November. What was it with November? Please tell me in the comments, because I think most of you thought about November right now. Oh, wow, look at that. New beginning. So you're very, very close to a new start, friends. New manifestations, your dreams coming true, and an emotional, happy July is definitely coming for you. And look at that. Discontent and boredom, number 4. Yeah, I do feel that, even though things are working out for you in July, you will be like, it's nice, but we want more excitement, because it is an emotionally happy, fulfilling month for you. But when things are emotionally happy, we all want some passion. When things are passionate, we want some. We crave for love, cozy things. We want always what we don't have. The other thing, the grass is always greener on the other side. So don't do that in July. Financial and material changes. Yes, some of you definitely want to change your work or career. You want to leave your job, quit it, and go farming. I think it's a great idea if you can achieve, if you are willing to work hard, If you can, yeah, go for it. If not, go get a personal reading. Loyal heart, number 35. So number 35 is important, and a loyal heart, someone very loving, someone very kind is coming for you, friends. So go, get ready. People are going to share their emotions, their love for you. And regeneration, yes, I do see someone from the past coming back into your life, or a relationship getting better, more passionate, more exciting. Heartache and loss. Yes, some of you are recovering from a heartache. Someone hurted you, someone left you, or maybe you had a broken marriage, or maybe you lost something or somebody. You are recovering, friends, from it. And in July, you will be able to actually recover and have a more positive and emotionally fulfilling month. Choose wisely. Yes, there are choices, friends, in this month, especially career and education related. So choose wisely, take your time, and maybe delay these decisions also. Advice and then your charms. Take charge and take action. So yes, friends, this month it is your time to take charge of your life, of your happiness. You are in charge, and go for it. Take action also, friends. So whatever you're trying to manifest, friends, go after it. You will be able to achieve that manifestation. Let's see your charms. Let's see your charms, friends. Doctor number 2 for July. Okay, let's see. Lots of charms actually. Let's separate them and then we're gonna read them, okay? Oh, some of you are going to buy new phones, or you definitely are thinking that you should. Is it time for a new phone, or is the old one still will survive this month? So yeah, choices, decisions. Yes, hop. I see the word hop here, HOP, happy. The word happy, happiness. Let's see what else. Okay. So yeah, there is some confusion about mobile phones. Some of you want to buy a phone, or you feel like, should we wait, or is it time to just go and buy it? So that's interesting. And let's see, HOP. Those are your initials. Someone with H, O, and P is important. Someone whose name is that. Number 25. Number 25 is important. Number 4 is important. 4 could be April also. Number 37 is important. Number 12 is important. Could be December month also. That's important. Yeah, see, teapot. So yes, you are working hard. You are trying to manifest, and you are working for it. And even the universe is working to manifest something for you. Cooking. Something is cooking for you. Yes, take your time, take a tea and sip, relax, enjoy in life. This month is like, seriously, July is about enjoyment. July is like, I'll wear, July is about dancing. Have you seen, those minions dancing? You know, Agnes and the Despicable Me minions, those are the kind of things you're gonna do. Dance, have some fun. And what else? The growth. Yes, you are growing. There is growth. There will be growth in your love life, relationships, as well as finances this month. This bead is about, this bead is about actually creativity, but right now I feel this bead is about keeping your emotions clear, your manifestations, deciding decisions, because there is this two colors. So take be clear on what you want. Some of you may be even confused what you want in future, what you want to manifest. So take some time, don't rush. Mobiles, yes, messages are coming, news is coming, someone will call you, some important meetings or dates will be happening through phones, Zoom meetings, Zoom calls. And also, some of you want to buy a new phone. Lord Ganesha is important, prosperity, umbrellas. Yes, I do see some of you going out on a trip or a vacation, or someone might meet you while they are vacationing or traveling in your city. And this is also about romance, new love, sweet love coming your way. The leaf is about money. Yes, money will be coming your way. Oh my god, friends. Oh my god. You have two Ganeshas. Look at that. Now that's interesting. Two Ganeshas. Lord Ganesha. Twice the time of prosperity. So now do you believe it? And the flower. So yes, open your heart, friends. Keep your heart open this month. Butterfly. Certain changes will happen, some positive changes. Bouquet, yes, some sort of a celebration is coming. You may start working with plants, or um, some of you may buy flowers for yourself or for someone, or someone else might gift you flowers. So yes, Some of you may start working with flowers, aromatherapy and all, healers. Look at that. You are a healer is important. Cow, take care of yourself. Mother energy, mother is important. Eight of air, yes. Someone has ran away from you, friends. They are thinking about you. The person who ghosted you, blocked you. Prince of air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Cycles, yes. Some things are going in cyclic nature for you. But Seven of Wands. But yes, you are going to, you are still going to win. You are still going to get your happiness. Four of air, four of air. Look at that. Take your time to rest and relax, friends, in July. Take your time. It's an exciting month for you. Happy month for you. And look at this. You are my sunshine, and you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make my happy. You make my skies happy. So someone definitely likes you, friends, and they are going to propose to you in the month of July, or you may propose somebody. So wonderful. Happy July. Make sure to subscribe Magic Fence Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta. This is personal readings. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, for those who chose option number 3, the beautiful abundance card, let us see how your July will be. This is a chance reading. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. And this is your oracle cards. These are your tarot. These are your advice and oracle messages. And let's see the abundance. Wow, this month is definitely about prosperity and money and success in life. This month is about your life purpose, abundance. This month is about feeling prosperous, feeling happy, feeling secure, feeling connected to the earth. The energy of earth, prosperity. Yes, I am a limitless being. See, and I can manifest whatever I desire in physical reality. So, this is a powerful month, and that's your affirmation for July, that you are a powerful, limitless being. You can manifest anything you desire. So, wonderful pile number 3, great energies to begin with. Let us see how your July will be. All right, so. Let's see. I do feel, friends, right now, you are not feeling. Um, right now you are feeling a bit, how do I say, a bit conflicted, I would say. You are feeling like, June was a month where you achieved a lot. You kind of achieved something, but you didn't achieve all of the things you wanted to achieve. You got some success, but not all the success you were looking for. There was some progress in June, but not all the progress that you wanted happened. So you are like, June kind of made you a little mature. I don't know what happened in June. I don't think so. June was a very good month for you, friends. June kind of increased your patience. Look at that sacral chakra. Yes, some of you felt blocked in money. Some of you had to wait for money. Some of you had to wait for love, or for your lover to message you. So in June you definitely felt a bit restricted, friends, like you had to wait for what you wanted. Again, two double energies, friends. See, and some of you may have also faced some creative blocks, like what you wanted, you were not able to achieve it. Like you were writing a paper, the answer, but you were not able to write it in the exam exactly the way it was supposed to be written, what you had in your mind. So that kind of a frustration you had in June. Like, you wanted it, you know how to get it, but you didn't got it, that kind of a frustration. But June made you very mature, friends. It increased your patience, it has made you very mature. So in July you have a certain experience, a certain maturity to understand life, a bright future manifested through hard work and creativity. So in July, your creative blocks are opening up. All those blocks which you faced in June, they are not going to happen now. The roadblocks, the challenges you faced in June, the delays, they are over now. But you have learned from June, friends. You have learned from these delays. You have learned from these blocks. They have increased your patience, your maturity. So you are coming in July like like a warrior who knows how to deal with it, like a um, like how, those masters, you're coming with into July, you are entering July like a master. You know how to deal with shit, I'm sorry to use that word, but you know how to deal with mess, you know how to deal with tough situations, because your patience has increased, you have learned well. So what will happen in July? A bright future which is manifested through your hard work and creativity, partnering with others who share your dreams, and great progress will be made. I do feel this month is very creative for you. This month you will feel you will attract a lot of people who will help you, a lot of teamwork, whether it is in love, work, or life in general. I also feel some of you will also uh, will start working on your life purpose. There is something about your life purpose in July. Maybe you are already working on it, but you felt blocked, or you will, certainly you will now find out what is your new life purpose or your exact life purpose. You're gonna start working in July. Yes, I do feel this month is about promotions. This month is about, you going places. A lot of people are talking about you. A lot of people will be talking about your expertise, your wisdom. A lot of people will need your advice, will seek out your advice. I do see, if you are a student, a lot of juniors are coming to you asking like, hey, can you help us? Can you guide us? See, you were so good. You cleared the exam. So now tell us how you did it. Even at your work, people are like, hey, can you tell us how you did that job? People are looking up to you, people are asking, needing your suggestions, your guidance in life in July. Another thing is in love also. You are very, very sexy, friends. You are very, very uh, very, potential, the most eligible bachelor, or the most eligible, girl in town, the hot girl, the hot, I don't know, I don't want to use that word, but people want you. People can sense you are special in July, because you have matured. And also your creativity, your sacral chakra will open. There were blocks in your sacral chakra up till now, but in July things will open up. It's like a sunrise. Look at this, a sunrise happening in your life. Look at that. It's like little by little the sun is opening up and light is coming. Yes, I do feel in your love life, if people were rejecting you, people were not honoring you, they were not respecting you, loving you, all that is behind you. In July, you have the power to decide who will stay in your life and who will not. Who is good, who is not, who is loving, who is not. You have the power. So it is a very, very powerful month for you, friends. In work and career, success is coming, promotions are coming, leadership skills are coming. Some of you may start teaching, some of you may start, you are a student, but you will start teaching and earning something also. So you are learning as well as earning multiple jobs, a side hustle, earning some money. And if you are already doing some business which was not successful, in July you will get it very successful, because the blocks are lifted. When a wonderful news is on its way to you, smart choices that will bring rewards, success, and public recognition. So, yes, your past hard work, your patience is now gonna pay off in July, friends. So, congratulations. If you were waiting up till now, don't worry. Your time is coming. Your time is in July, August. Those are your sunshine months. And also, you will feel very. Ambitious in the month of July, friends. You will want to achieve more in life. You will not settle for less. You will not be settling for anything less. You want big things. You want more, more, more. That is the energy. um, you are very aggressive and passionate in this month. And I do feel the starting of the July, the third, the Mars will be squaring Uranus. That will affect you. It will either make you feel very bold and passionate and ambitious, or it may make you feel frustrated. So watch out for that energy. Ace of Autumn, oh my god, friends. Yes, something new is starting for you. Some of you could be starting a, some of you finally getting the job you were waiting for, getting that promotion, that job call. I think someone was keeping you on wait for something, work and career related, like you were waiting, they kept you on hold. Finally you will be able to get that news, that new energy, that new job, that PhD, that let's, yes, you got selected, you got the project, now start working on it. So something new is coming for you. I also feel some of you are trying to change your work and career. You are trying to change your life purpose. It will become clear to you what you want to do in July, friends, or what is your life purpose. You can, I don't want to. Yes, you can go for a life purpose reading. You can buy that reading with me, friends. They are very, very detailed, very, very accurate. So you can get your personal readings. Just a side note, friends. If you want it, if not, it's okay. It's perfect. No pressures. All right. So, yes, friends, a new start is coming not just in your work and career and studies, but also in your love life. I feel you are saying bye to people of the past and you are ready for a new you. You know, you are like, yes, I love myself. I will not settle for anything less now. And you will find, and because you are so self-loving, you will attract more mature people, more caring people, more creative people, more people who can help you out, more relationships which are perfect for you. So there is not just a new start in work and career, but also in love. You are more loving, more caring of yourself, more, how do I say, more wise in choosing who is the one. I also feel some of you may have attracted very lustful partners in the past. People who were like, playboys, playgirls, or maybe very lustful relationships you attracted. But now you will attract more mature partners, more successful partnerships, more, balanced partnerships where there is love, there is a beautiful energy of caring, sharing, loving, that energy. A windfall of money, advice or assistance is coming from you, a very successful project, a happy change in your career is coming, a new start. I also feel some of you will feel you should start loving yourself, your body, your hair, your past, fall in love with yourself in July, friends. That is the key to your success. Prince of Summer, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important, someone younger than you. I do feel that someone is going to propose you, or they may tell you how much they like you. I feel this person is somebody you study with or you work with, or they could be around your house. They see you, they see you every day or something like that. So very creative, very beautiful relationship, or very balanced kind of a person. This is someone you can count on, falling in love suddenly, being swept off your feet, the need to stay grounded during a very emotional time. So yes, I do feel that if you are already married, your marriage will become more passionate. If the spice was lost, you can expect some spice, some steam, some hot passion to come back in your relationships. Also, I feel, friends, if people will call you very hot, you are working on your body, or you are oozing that energy, of sexiness. You're looking good in July, so people will notice that and people will be attracted towards you. I also feel if you are in a relationship which was not going well, you can expect your person to be more, open with their feelings. If someone was, I feel there was a person who was not at all emotional with you, or they were not telling you their emotions, not at all sharing their emotions, their heart, just their body with you. I do feel there is a chance that person will reach out and try to express their or share their feelings, but I don't think so you will accept them, friends, because you are wise now, you're mature, or maybe it's too late for them to say these things. So any playboys and playgirls, you are like bye bye. Yes, see, there is a choice in love, King of Wands. So there is a twin flame coming back, or there, a very, very attractive connection, someone you feel very attracted to, but someone who is not at all good for you. So they are coming back for you. So, yes, but there are other choices. You have other choices in love, a new friendship, a new soulmate, more balanced people. So it is up to you, friends, whom you will choose, your love, love or passion, lust or love, lust or care. What will you choose? It is up to you, but you are wise, you are very experienced, you know how it goes, June has taught you a lot, so now you are wise. A financial windfall. Your leadership skills are really needed now, and unexpected supporter of your cause. Yes, I do feel a lot of people are coming to ask your help. So you are the Gonian. So you might feel frustrated, friends. Like anybody, everybody wants your help, whether it is at home, in family, at work, in school, colleges. Everybody is calling you, hey, can you tell me what is, how to do this, how to do that? And you are like, where do I go for help? Everybody is asking me, so where do I go for help? So it will boost your ego. Definitely you will feel very happy, but at the same time you will feel like, why is everybody asking me all these questions? So, 10 of autumn, yes, family is very important to you in July, friends. And especially, you may, family, marriage, talks related to commitment, you may discuss these things with family. And also, some of you may also, get to join family businesses, family inheritances. Some of you are inheriting something from the family. Family is very, very, very important in July for you, friends. Take step to assure the financial security of your children or loved ones, making wise investments or planning, honoring family traditions. Yeah, I do feel that some of you may actually attract someone from a different religion culture, or you are already with somebody from a different religion culture. This person could be married, or they issues, the block in this connection is marriage, like you guys can't marry, or there are some issues in getting married, so that relationship is also important in July. Very weirdly, I see some of you investing in what you call those insurances. I don't know what you are getting. Maybe you are getting a car insurance or a house insurance. I don't know, but I see you getting some insurances done. I don't know what you are insuring, but yes, insurance, medical insurance. I don't know. Yeah, I see that also. Oh my God, the king of summer. Wow. So a lot of people are important for you in July, friends. This is a people-oriented week for month for you, and you will have to choose you will find all sorts of people and relationships or friendships, emotional, passionate. People you can work with, people you can collaborate with, people who can help you with your life purpose, people who are just lustful or who are very sexy. So you have to choose which you want, and you are the ultimate decider what you want in life, friends, because you can manifest anything. A romantic partner you can trust, excellent advice that comes from the heart, getting involved in cultural or creative endeavors. Yeah, I do feel that you will be. I do feel that for some of you, a father figure is also important. They are trying to help you. Maybe a spirit guide, someone who is past, your grandfather, your spirit guides. I see your guides helping you, friends. I can actually feel your guides here. So they are helping you with your life purpose, with your love life, and your work and finances. So listen to that. Okay, you will have some, you will have divine signs guiding you, so honor and trust and act on those divine signs, and you can count on the divine signs you are getting. Also, you might be confused which person to choose for your relationships or for your projects in work. Listen to your heart. Your heart has the solution, and you have two chakra cards: heart chakra, sacral chakra. This is a very big month for you, friends. So make sure to. I know some of you will be like, friends, some of you are very. I don't understand. Some people are like, this is for future reading. I'm reading for your July, and some of you are like, no, this does not resonate. How can it resonate? This hasn't even, you haven't even reached in July. It hasn't even finished yet, and some of you are already like, this doesn't resonate with me, friends. When we are doing future predictions, you have to come back in the future and then see if it resonates or not. So don't be so quick to judge, and that's exactly, your heart will tell you. I think you are very quick to judge in July. That's why I have to say this. Don't be so quick to judge. Listen to your heart. Fertility, yes. For some of you, you definitely chances of pregnancy, chancing of expanding your family. And even if you are single, be very very careful, because fertility, the chances of passions are high. There is a lot of passion and attraction in your relationship, so be careful, friends. And communications are also very important for you. Patience and planning, yes, some you will need some planning, friends, in July, because even in love and work and your patience, you have learned the patience in June. But this month you will need to plan how to do, how to manage, which one to choose, which to reject, which job to take, which to reject. To the C, number 7, someone is missing you, friends. Someone is someone who lost you, rejected you, or someone who is quite a playboy or a Casanova, they playgirl, they are missing you. They're gonna come towards you. Time to go. I don't know if you will accept that person back, but they want you back. I do see you want new people in your life, trustworthy friends. And look at that solitude. Yeah, I do feel some of you, um, even though there will be a lot of people around you, some of you may feel you are still alone, because like nobody understands you the kind of way you are, or you are looking for someone you can enjoy the silence. The silence is comfortable, so you're very choosy whom you want to be with in July. Although it is a people oriented month, but you will be like me, no, 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 I don't want this person. They are coming and talking to me, but I don't want to talk to them. So you are still lonely. Material harvest, yes, money is coming your way, friends. I do see you are very, very popular, and a lot of recognition, fame. If you're working online or on social media, you'll be very, very popular. A lot of people want to know you. They will appreciate your work, compliments, your body, your hair, your looks, your gifts, your talents. And yes, if you are artistic, expect a great month. Your creativity will be super, super high. And yes, twin flame connections are highlighted in this reading. Heart chakra, sacral chakra, fertility, twin flames are important for you in this month of July. Let's see your advice. All right, look at that. Super, super healing happening for you, friends. A lot of healing is happening for you. And I feel this healing. Look at that. Heart chakra, financial healing. You are healing a lot of past blocks, lifetimes of blocks, past life blocks. You are healing that. I think you have a pattern of attracting the wrong kind of people, friends, or wrong kind of people whom you trust, but they are not trustworthy. So, whether it is at work or in love, you are healing that. And you are coming into your power, standing in your own. So, a lot of healing is happening. Very powerful month. Let's see your charms. All right, look at that. The apple stuck to my finger. Let's see. So, not many letters here, but E, E, I. So, maybe it makes sense to you. There is an I and there are two E's. Let me just separate the charms. All right, let's see. So double E and I. So there may be somebody with the name like Deep or something, with double E or I. The number 77, number 77, number 777 is important. Number 5 could be the month, or 5 could be, a lucky number for you, like the month, date of birth, or it could be a month. 5 is important. 5 people could also be important for you, or the 5th of July is important. It could be your birthday, the 7th of July, the 5th of July. Pink hat, yes. There is romance in this month for you, friends. So choose romantic people. Choose people who are more romantic, more emotionally expressive rather than passionate, So choose that. Snowflake, wishes coming true. The golden leaf, healing, money coming your way, new ideas, creative ideas, art, you blocks of art, blocks falling away, life moving, how do I say this? things opening up, butterfly, positive changes in a relationship, skeleton. This is about the skeleton, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, but this is like let the past go. You have learned from it, now let it go. We have angel wings, so you are very protected, friends. Angels are protecting you. I also feel this is one wing, so this is like a guide. I told you, a spirit guide. A guide is watching you, so you are very safe, you are very protected. The leaf, yes, a lot of success. This is like fame coming to you. This is like recognition coming to you. People watching you. Heart, take care. You are taking care of your body, your mind, your soul this month. So that will be you know, people will notice it that yes, you are doing well. Health issues will recover. Heart, listen to your heart, friends. Listen to your intuition. That's important. Again, the twin flame heart is here. So, the twin flame reunion, someone is coming. A reunion is going to happen. There is the flower charm here. The flowers are about, you know, your spirituality, your life purpose. Things are blooming, growth. This is the horseshoe. This is like lucky. You're very, very lucky, friends, in this month. And the boot, yes. You are going places, friends. Your success is very high, and also some of you may start going back to jogging, gyms, working out, you know, fitness goals. Strawberry, steamy passion, passionate relationships are coming. Someone very passionate is going to lustful connections, attractive connections. Apple, healthy. You have to choose between, you know, lust and health, or, you know, eating something which is like chocolate with strawberries, you know, that's like yum yum yum, but you can also eat an apple. So choices, choices, choices. Four of coins, save your money. Your money will increase, but save it. You are going to invest in some insurance or something. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is important. Five of Years, yes, someone ghosted you, friends. Someone ghosted you, left you, cheated on you. Third party, they are coming back, they want you. They will act like they are dying for you, but listen to your intuition. Queen of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. And Kingfisher, you are very, 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 very lucky, friends, this month. Super lucky. You have the horseshoe also. So yes, you are. This is like the luck bead, not the horseshoe, but the luck bead. So, an amazing July for you, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. See, you're lucky, even though the plate was about to throw off, but it didn't. So, lucky, lucky, lucky you. So, to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.